In this video, I want to go over how I was able to get about 14 hours so trading Euro USD and GER40 last week. So first of all, for Euro USD, we will need to look at the much higher time frame. Let's look at the daily. Sorry, let me move this. Okay, so this is where we were on Euro USD of taking liquidity here, and with that in mind, our next point is here, because when we take liquidity down, we need to take liquidity up again, and to complete the cycle. On the 4 hours, we can see it much clearly too. So we took liquidity here and we are left with liquidity up. So now, if the 4 hours is giving us this liquidity sweep that we've spotted here, right, we've swept liquidity, we failed to break and stay below this low. So for me, I start considering that a liquidity grab. So now look at the 30 minutes. Look at the 30 minutes to. So now when we get 30 minutes here, we have a break of structure here. So at this point, my bias totally switched to bullish. So because this break of structure here has confirmed the push up. So now all that's left is for me to look at these key levels that are kind of overlapping with each other. Sorry. So we have this key level, this key level, and this key level all in close proximity. So you can use either the highest one here or the lowest one. So you're picking the highest one. You have that very clean retracement and rejection. Now when I entered this, I used the hourly time frame to confirm it again. So look at the 1 hour. After we've got that 30 minutes break of structure, I used the 1 hour. The reason why I used the 1 hour was because of this key level that we were flipping here. So this was the final entry that I used. Stop loss below the candle that flipped the key level, and we target the liquidity. So that's that. Easy, very easy trade, no stress, very seamless. Fork. Okay, now for GER40. Okay, so let me hide all of this. So GER40 was a little bit complicated. The reason it was complicated was because the price action in itself was not very smooth. It was kind of choppy. So we have this key level here, but we did not target. So I paid attention to this one here, but this was the closest key level. This one was way below where we closed from, but this key level here was aligning with this open close key level here. So I worked with this. Now when we've had a daily rejection, because this candle closed above the key level, the second candle closed below it, the third one confirmed the swing here. So when we have daily rejection, I look at the 4 hours to check what is going on. So now on the 4 hours, this was the first entry that I actually had on this. So this rejection here, right? So but the rejection was not sustained. The rejection was not sustained, so we came back again and we still rejected from that same key level here. So after this rejection here, actually with all my 4 hours rejection, I look at the 30 minutes to see what's going on. So let's look at the 30 minutes. So on the 30 minutes, we are having our break of structure here. Finally broke structure here. And at the same time, we were also flipping this key level. Sorry, this trend line. So now we broke structure here. So generally this structural break here is supposed to be our, this skill level that was broken, right? It's supposed to be our entry in 30 minutes. It was a very, very good entry, but I was not on the chart when that happened. I was not on the chart when that happened. So I looked at what's the closest thing to fried rice, to sliced bread. This key level on the 2 hours, right? So this key level was also aligning with the 30 minutes entry we having. So when the 2 hours reject, I use 15 minutes to confirm it. So that was what we gave here as the first entry. So 2 hours rejection here. This is our entry, because that was where the 15 minutes broke structure, and the take profits is this low here. So with that, our first entry becomes this. And the second entry was after. So when we retraced and we rejected this key level 2, my focus had been on how I could join the move again. So we have this key level here, if I'm not mistaken. All right. So we have this key level here. We rejected from it. Let me look at this on the hourly. So we had another set of rejection here. So after the rejection, because it not tag the 15 minutes key level, so after the second set of rejections, we finally broke structure here again, flipping the key levels. So that's where we got the last entry from. Stop losses here. So that is that. See you guys on the next video.